exactly what's going on there. Might be a little hot foot in there. Got a little oil spilling around someplace. Picking up some parts, a little general liability stuff. Oh, now the number 30 car. Oh, he's getting an X on there. Number 30, we must have been picked at a little plane where it shouldn't have gone. Maybe that driver's door got a little close. You'll see they spray painted an X on his door. He'll have to be careful in what he's doing now the rest of this heat if he wants to make it back to the main event. All right, now as soon as we get the word, we're going to turn it loose again. Everybody is standing by. Everybody is ready to go. Heat number 1. We've got the top 2 placers come out of here and automatically go back to the finals. The rest of them will have the opportunity to come back in through the LCQs. All right, Dwight says, let's go, boys. All right. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Something to take care of here. The 30 car. Oh, looks like they're going to pull the 30 car flag. All right, so he's going to have to pull out. We'll see what's going on there. All right, we've still got a few cars up. We've got 5 with flags up. As long as they've got a flag, they can run. Remember those door hits, those driver's side door hits, they are illegal. So we want to stay away from there. All right, Dwight says we got the green flag. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3, let's go. A little cat and mouse going on here. We're down to the last 5. Now there's no love lost between those 2 guys. Let's get something started here. Rick Remington in that 88 car. Jerry Main in the 12J. Perennial hot shot here with Demolition Derby. We got the 12X car. That's Brad Walker. Nice hit, gentlemen. Keep it up, keep it up. The 20 car, sponsored by Cow Country Supply. That's Walt Whitmore. Here comes Remington, getting a little traction. There you go, nice job. That Imperial's looking pretty good. He might be able to drive that home tonight. Looking good. Oh, see, he was so careful to stay away from that driver's door. Yeah, Dick Remington. All right, here we come now. We're down to 4. No, we still got 5. Nope. Number 20 car pulled his flag. We're down to 3 now. Jerry Mays pulls his flag. All right, we got to get 1 out of here, and then we'll bring in heat number 2. Tow truck drivers, be getting ready, gentlemen. Skid loader drivers, be getting ready. Wheel loader drivers. Dick Remington. He's trying to put the nail in the coffin right here. Got to get a little more run at that deal. Trying to put a wound on that car that'll keep you from moving. preview number 1. So, heat number 2, drivers in your cars, be getting ready, pit crews, take a sigh of relief, you're about to ruin what you just made. Hey, if you haven't taken a minute to look around the stands, take a minute and look around the stands. Look at all of you up there. Nice, good crowd. Thanks for coming out and spending your evening with us. Beautiful, live at the Central States Fair, the Bill Haynes Show. Brand new show here for the carnival. If you haven't had an opportunity to get out there and see this show, you need to. Alan Copperman and his crew, the general manager, have really put together a nice show here. The Bill Haynes Show at the Central States Fair this year. Then we got a couple of people here that we want to make mention of because they're very important for the rest of the show. And that's all of our tow truck guys, all of our towing services. Tow pros from right here in Rapid, Lee's Towing, I-90 Towing, and Absolute Towing. They always step up. They come in just for the price of the admission, but they like to be a part of it, donate their time and their energy to come in and keep the demolition derby moving smooth as silk. And for those guys. We've also got a lot of board members that are out there too. And it takes a lot of volunteers to put this on every year. We've got Kevin and Sharon Martin again. Kevin is past board president. Kevin and Sharon have ran the demolition derby here for several years. Thanks, you guys. Appreciate all your help. Andy and Lisa Storms. Lisa is now a board member. Andy and Lisa, thanks for your help on the demolition derby. Brad Estes, he's been a board member since I think there's been a board. You're a mistake, Brad. Thank you. Appreciate all your time. Jeff Cullum, he's a past board member. And Colton Cullum. Dave Jenner, he is a current board member from Jenner Equipment out there. Mac Meyer, he is a past board member as well. Thanks, guys. Endless hours are spent every year, not just during the fair, not just during the stock show. It takes a year to plan and get ready for this great event. Signals kind of the end of summer. I don't know if that's fortunately or unfortunately. Unfortunately for the kids, I guess. Fortunately for mom and dad, we can get back into a regular swing of things. Oh, look at there. I think that's right.